Modern shipbuilding begins in massive shipyards using advanced techniques and equipment. The hull of modern ships is constructed in sections called blocks. These prefabricated modules form the foundation of efficient shipbuilding. These blocks are prefabricated in specialized workshops. Steel plates are cut, shaped, and welded together according to precise engineering specifications. Workers assemble these blocks with internal components like bulkheads, decks, and structural supports, creating the framework of the vessel. The blocks, which can weigh hundreds or thousands of tons each, are transported to the building dock or slipway using enormous gantry cranes. These cranes then precisely position and join the blocks together to form the complete hull structure of the ship. Throughout this process, quality control inspections ensure structural integrity and adherence to strict maritime regulations. After completing the construction phase, ships must be launched and undergo critical testing before entering service. There are three primary methods for launching a newly constructed vessel. The traditional slipway launch involves the ship sliding down an inclined ramp directly into the water. This method relies on gravity and is often accompanied by a ceremony where the ship is christened before sliding into the water for the first time. Alternatively, dry docks can be flooded to gently float the vessel. The dock chamber is sealed, then slowly filled with water until the ship begins to float. For the third method, specialized heavy lift ships can submerge themselves to position underneath the new vessel before rising to lift it out of the construction facility. After launching, the ship undergoes extensive outfitting where critical systems are installed and tested. Main propulsion engines and power generation systems are carefully installed and aligned within the hull. Electrical and control systems are wired throughout the vessel, connecting all operational areas of the ship. Finally, interior elements are installed, including accommodations, control stations, and cargo handling systems. Before delivery to the owner, all ships must undergo comprehensive sea trials to verify performance and safety. Speed tests verify that the vessel can achieve its design maximum speed and that propulsion systems operate efficiently at various power settings. Maneuverability assessments test the ship's turning radius, stopping distance, and its ability to maintain course in various sea conditions. Safety system checks ensure that emergency equipment, fire suppression systems, and life-saving equipment all function according to regulations. Only after passing all these trials is the vessel certified as seaworthy and ready for commercial operation. The completed and certified ship is then ready for handover to its owner to begin its operational life at sea.